Kakaroon tayo ng exclusive tour inside McKinley Site. Right now, I'm here in Park McKinley West and magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive tour inside the amenities of Park McKinley West. So tara, check natin. So yung amenities natin is located on the second floor. So in this area, ito na yung game room. So this will be the game room. So may mga PlayStation tayo dyan. So you can play here. May lounge and syempre may billiard din. So you can access this anytime. Di ba? Ganda talaga sa game room. Tara, check naman natin yung gym. So, meron tayong yoga, may indoor, and syempre, meron din tayong outdoor. Wow! So, in this area, meron tayong amenity lounge. So, ito siya. Then, ang maganda dito, meron pa tayong dance studio. Sa taas naman siya. And your children's playground. So, ito naman yung children's playground. Yeah! So, malaki yung children's playground ni Park McKinley West. For sure, kung may kids kayo, matutuwa sila dito. So, yan. Yung pinaka-favorite ko kay Park McKinley West is interconnected siya sa mall. So, meaning, pagbaba mo ng condo, nasa mall ka na. Andiyan na yung retail shops, restaurant, cinema. So, ayan. Ito yung entrance niya. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, this will be the entrance ng mall. And then, yung entrance naman ng lobby sa this way. So, ang lapit lang niya, guys. Lalakad ka lang, nasa mall ka na. So, dito naman tayo sa function area. Maganda dito, up to 200 packs ang kasya dito. So, tara. So, ito yung function room 1. So, itong hanggang 4 to. So, 4 na ganito, yung pwede nating i-book kapag unit owners kayo dito. So kapag may birthday, celebration, so you can book this anytime. And we are here sa pool area. So meron tayong kiddie pool and adult pool. Again, that is Park McKinley West. If you want more details about this condo, message me now and follow me for more. Thank you!